Hey, what's up guys? It's day 4 here in Shanghai. The last 2 days were just for Disney. Monday and Tuesday nag-Disney kami. So we got 2-day pass tickets. So ayun, tapos na yung Disney. Sobrang nakapagod kasi straight 2 days and morning till evening yon. But right now, day 4, medyo light lang yung itinerary. Mostly sightseeing lang muna. And then we're going to have a breakfast right now. Okay. This is what's that?
It's the coarse grain congee and then pickled something, vegetarian sausage, pickled something. Matabang kasi to. Yes, baby. And this is Noah's chicken nuggets and rice. Show them.
And then mine is pansit, itlog, pandesal. Very Pinoy. Actually, hindi yan pandesal, croissant. Alright, second batch.
Yep, this is Chinese noodle soup. I have to taste it first. Kung anong kasama. Asan ang noodles? There's no noodles. It's Chinese noodle soup. Hindi kami nagkaintindihan. Okay, and then this one is
chicken.
Self-made soy milk.
Mommy,
With
more.
fried dough something. Bicho-bicho. And I got cheese. Weird lang. They serve this with
I don't know what
mga nori, sugar, gano'n. Pero masarap siya. As is. Ay, masarap.
Puro gulay.
Oo. Alang noodles. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Pero,
crunchy.
ang sinigwelas na mahangin na may pait sa dulo.
Ano, hybrid na yung siniguelas.
Try mo.
Sarap. Sarap. Matamis then pumapait. So, day 4 namin, andito kami sa Nanjing Road. We're passing by Nanjing Road then para makita yung the Bund. And then, ayun, daming food. Shopping district talaga yung Nanjing Road. So, sama kayo sa tour namin. Meron? White rabbit. Nakabote. Maganda yung loob.
May papel lang na maganda.
Inisip ko nga wala eh. Papel lang eh. entering the biggest Starbucks. Parang Disney store.
Disney store.